So we know the second rung on the ladder of maintenance excellence is scheduling efficiency. And again, if you remember, communication and engagement is foundational, and then you go up to scheduling efficiency. Scheduling efficiency is best defined as like, how's your throughput? What's the thing you can do? How fast can you do stuff? That gives you an idea of some velocity of basically getting work done. So how do you know if you're doing that well? As simple as you need to be able to process work requests quickly, and you need to be able to do so in a means that means you're not building a backlog and you have a problem coming down later. The example that I'll use oftentimes is like if you think about the 15-minute lube, getting your car oil changed. Scheduling efficiency is like how good are you at doing that 15-minute oil change job? And so in maintenance, it's your ability from intake to completion on speed of work of the resources that you have assigned to it.